Do you need to replace the battery in your Toyota Corolla key on models from 2006 to 2012? Then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome back to another Ross Perry Productions video. And in this video I have a 2008 Toyota Corolla and I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the battery found in the key. And we're going to need one tool to do this. We're going to need either a flat screwdriver like this or a coin would be useful as well. And it's also important to mention that you need to take the key rings off if you have any on there. Now, just looking at the key, it's a nice simple key to actually open. There is a slot just by where the key ring goes, and we're going to just pop our screwdriver in there and give it a bit of a twist. So once that's done, we're just going to flip it over and take this part off, just pull straight off, and then you'll actually notice that this section will just fall straight out. Now, this is really just a mechanical key and a couple of rubber plates for the buttons. So other than that, this doesn't do too much. Our key is actually found in this portion here. So like I say, we're going to need this screwdriver for a couple of reasons, and the next one is actually opening this. Now if you flip it over to the black side, you'll actually notice it says use coin to open with an arrow, so you can use a coin or a flat object. So I'm just going to pop that in there, just where you'd also put the coin, and then I'm actually going to flip it over. I'm going to pull the black part away. So that actually exposes our battery. So just taking a closer look at this battery, it's a Panasonic brand battery. Now the brand's not really relevant, but the number is. So this is a CR2016 battery, and that's 3 volts. Now you notice there's just a little gap down this side here where we can pop that screwdriver in again and just flick out that battery. So there's writing on one side, and that's the side that actually faces out. So we can just go ahead, get our new battery, just pop it against the springs there, and it should lock in. We can then go ahead and get the other components. So we need that cover there. We need a little black piece that we can put straight on. Just clipping that all the way around, making sure it's seated all the way around. And then we get our mechanical key, making sure it all matches up with the buttons. So that's the way it goes. And then we can put on the outer casing and give it a good click round. And just making sure it is sealed all the way around. You can then go ahead and obviously put all your key rings back on, but more importantly, just give it a test on the car to make sure it works, which obviously mine does. So there you go, nice, quick, easy video for you today. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.